Hey. It's Tuesday, February the 16th of 2021. What are we working on in science today? We will identify characteristics of the seasons. Think for a second, what season are we in right now? Summer, spring, winter, or fall? No, it's not summer. Good job. You got it. It is winter. I've got my sweater on, my boots. We are still in the winter. Now, is winter a season that I could go ride my bicycle? Yeah. Have you been riding your bicycle lately? Yes or no? We'll talk more about these activities today. How? First, we will watch a video, then illustrate and label activities we could do in different kinds of weather. Look at that other W word with me. Weather. Say it. Weather. Good job. Different weather means we can do different kinds of activities. Today, we're going to draw and label different activities in those different kinds of weather. Why? We will understand the different kinds of weather and how to stay safe. First, we have a video. Remember, we are looking closely at the weather and the activities, like riding a bicycle. What weather is good for a bike ride? Attentoscopes on? Here comes our video.
As the seasons change throughout the year, the weather changes with them. Summer tends to be warm, while winter is cold. What the air around us is like at a particular time is called the weather.
Weather.
This air that surrounds the Earth is called the atmosphere. The weather doesn't only change between seasons. It can change day by day, or sometimes even in the same day. Around the world, the weather can be very different in different places at the same time. A boy can build a snowman in one part of the world.
Take a look at this weather. This is an activity you could do outside when the weather is what? Good word, snowy or icy. When we got snow here in Elgin, did you build a snowman? Yes or no? Did you make a snow angel? Yes or no? Did you throw a snowball at somebody? Yes or no? Those are activities we can do when the weather is snowy or icy. Now, in the hot summer, this is not something we can do. But in the winter, when it's cold, and if we get snow, then we could do these kinds of activities. But what are some other kinds of weather and some other activities we can do?
While a girl builds a sandcastle somewhere else.
Ooh, take a look at this activity. What's the weather like there? Not cold. Hot. And what's up in the sky? That big bright... I got one too. Sun. It's a sunny, warm, hot day. And so she is what? Building a sandcastle. Have you ever built a sandcastle? Yes or no? Have you ever jumped in the waves at the beach or in the swimming pool? Yes or no? Now, those are not activities we can do in the winter when it's cold. These are activities for when it is hot and sunny.
When we talk about the weather, we mean the temperature, like hot or cold. It also includes things like clouds, rainstorms, and snowstorms. We try to predict the weather by observing it. We can measure temperature or wind speeds with special tools, or use our senses and record the patterns. People have made a lot of tools to help predict weather. We have a thermometer for temperature, wind vanes for wind, and rain gauges for when there's lots of rain. The scientists who study the weather and its patterns are called meteorologists.
Next week, we will start working on our weather tools, and you will be a meteorologist too.
The things they observe can help keep people safe from dangerous weather conditions like tornadoes, or simply help people decide what they should wear that day to be comfortable.
Take a look at this picture. What is the weather like there? Everybody has an umbrella, so it is very rainy. Good job. When it's rainy outside, what's an activity you could do? Can you go outside in the rain? If you can't go outside in the rain, what's something you can do inside the house when it's raining outside? I like to play Mario Kart. You too?
If you know it will rain, you might take an umbrella with you, or wear rain boots.
If you have these special clothes to protect you from the rain, then you could go outside. Let's see what this boy does outside in his rain boots.
Weather patterns are important to people.
Oh, he can go splash in the puddles, or catch raindrops in his mouth. Have you ever played in the rain? Yes or no? Or do you like to stay inside on rainy days? Yes or no?
These patterns are recorded over time, so we can keep learning more about the weather.
So, now that we have seen our video of lots of different weather, we paused to talk about the activities we saw. We are ready to start our journal. Will you get ready with 1, a pencil, 2, your crayons, 3, your journal. 1, 2, 3, meet me on video 2. Hasta pronto!